This is the LyteFury Fireplace store for factory-built fireplaces, also known as prefab fireplaces. This is a Fireplace Doors Online original design, handcrafted from high-quality aluminum with a gleaming light pewter finish. The LyteFury has trackless bifold doors, each with 2 panes of glass that open 180 degrees and fold in half, taking up minimal space. The clear 1/4-inch tempered safety glass in the doors is backed by a lifetime warranty. Always keep the doors open when burning a fire. The high heat can discolor the finish of the frame and shatter the tempered safety glass. This door does not come with any mesh curtains or spark protection. However, if your zero clearance fireplace does not already come with mesh curtains and you would like to add that extra layer of safety, Fireplace Doors Online does sell these separately on our website. The main frame of the LyteFury is 7/8 of an inch wide. The heat-resistant silvery finish will stand the test of time while matching virtually any color palette. The LyteFury zero clearance door shown here is 35 3/8 inches wide and 20 3/4 inches tall, but this door can be custom sized to specifications. The LyteFury is an inside fit door only. Some assembly is required and all mounting hardware is included. Outfit your zero clearance fireplace today with the lustrous LyteFury fireplace door, locked in at contractor pricing.